How to delete business email account in cPanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. When we log into cPanel, this is the cPanel dashboard we see. To create a business email account, enter the Email Accounts section under Email in this cPanel settings page. To delete business email account, select the business email account first. Next, click the Manage button that you see here on the same row as the email account, which will get us to this page. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, click this Delete Email Account button. Again, we will need to confirm business email account deletion by clicking this button, as once deleted, all data will be lost permanently. And done, the business email account has been deleted permanently. Along with it, all the data in the email account will be lost. This is how you can delete a business email account in cPanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.